Let us talk a little bit about white space. So for example, we have a text. Learn how to use a system first. This is a simple sentence. Now, what happens if I go back to the HTML and introduce some white space? Like this. So I'll press enter to push part of the text down, and I press enter again. In HTML, this will not affect the way the text is displayed on the website, so maintaining the original look of the sentence. If we look at this on the website, you will notice that the sentence remains the same. You don't see those white spaces. So this is just to understand the way HTML behaves. To make it actually have that look, you have to command and introduce tags to do that. But by just creating spaces on the text in the HTML, it doesn't have any effect